Naghahanap pa kayo ng private resort dito sa Tagaytay? Halina't silipin nyo ang aming private resort dito na may kompletong gamit. This is your patio na pwede kayo mag-banding ng barkada nyo, ng pamilya nyo. Very, very relaxing. Ito naman po ang inyong kitchen na may kompletong gamit. Tingnan nyo naman, meron kayong kalan, may mga kaldero at kawali po kayo din na pwede nyo gamitin. Ayan. At ito naman po yung CR at shower area para accessible po kayo pag kayo naliligo sa swimming pool. Yan po. This is your shower area. Napakaganda. Hated po yan. At ito po yung inyong restroom. Napakaganda po na inyong restroom. At ito naman po ang inyong complimentary kitchen na may microwave oven, ref, and dispenser. Kompleto din po siya ng gamit and meron din kayong pinggan at baso na pwede gamitin. And this is your function area na pwede kayo mag-videoke and mag-billiards. Meron kayong wifi dito. Meron din pong Netflix. Yan. Very, very nice at very, very relaxing itong lugar na to. Inyong pamilya. And this is your swimming pool na may lalim na 8 feet yung dulo. Yan, ganyan po siya kalaki. Tingnan naman po ang ganda ng aming swimming pool. Pagkakit naman po ang inyong receiving area. Very, very nice and very, very beautiful. Nice. And this is your washroom, wash area and CR. Sa taas. Yan. Yan po siya. And this is your second bedroom na may double bed. So guys, actually 3 bedrooms to, itong resort na to, and let's check it out. Yung pangatlong kwarto na may 4 na bunk bed with a capacity of 16. So yan, this is the biggest room. Ang laki guys ang room. And sama-sama talaga yung barkada at pamilya dito sa room na to. And makakabuo kayo ng napakagandang memories. Yan, ang magkakasama. At ito naman po yung CR sa loob po ng kwartong ito. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful CR. And talaga namang napakaganda ng resort na to. And lastly, this is the balcony. So book daw at 5 Hombres via Airbnb and Facebook account. So look at that. Sulit po ang pera nyo sa 5 Hombres. Talagang very relaxing.